Now you will have one question, why do we talk more about physical standby even though we have so many types of standby available? There is one big secret behind physical standby. In today's market, there are so many DBAs who are already working, but they are not confident when it comes to data guard. There is a secret in understanding the types of data guard. Remember, if you understand physical standby well, you can understand any type of standby. Even if tomorrow with new versions Oracle releases other type of standby, you will learn it well because you are good at physical standby. Now that secret is, if you create one physical standby, whenever your client says, okay boss, I want a logical standby, you can convert physical standby into a logical standby and then you can come back. Let's take your client says, okay boss, I want a snapshot standby. From physical standby, you can convert it to snapshot standby and then you can come back. Your client says, boss, I want an active data guard. You configure a physical standby, you convert it into an active data guard, and your client says, okay, now I don't want active data guard. You can come back to physical standby. Now this is the secret behind why people talk more about physical standby. Of course, there are logical standby, snapshot standby, active data guard, or maybe Oracle might release new standbys in future, but always people will talk more towards physical standby, because if you are very good at physical standby configuration, you can configure any type of data guard in the world. Any type means it can be logical, snapshot, active, whatever it is. Even in our configuration also, we will configure a physical standby of a production server, and once we are done with the physical standby configuration, we will only change from physical to logical, then we'll come back. We'll change from physical to snapshot, then we'll come back, and we'll change physical to active data guard and come back. These are all the configurations that we will see in our next chapters.